Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm going to show you how to make this Mocha Punch, which is perfect for any party because it's going to keep everybody energized to keep partying hard. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my 3 weekly recipes. Now let's get started. For this Mocha Punch, I'm going to start off by making some good old-fashioned coffee. I'm using 1 tablespoon of ground coffee beans for every 6 ounces of water, which will always give you that perfect cup of joe. Now after this brews, you're going to add some sugar and allow it to fully chill in the fridge until you're ready to assemble your party punch. I'm adding the chilled coffee along with a cup of milk and a cup of chocolate ice cream. Give it a good mix and top this off with some fresh whipped cream. As you can see, I only made a small amount because I wasn't planning on having a party today, but this full recipe makes 24 servings, which is written down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. This Mocha Punch is just so delicious. I promise you that everybody at your party is going to go crazy over it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you thought about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.